Recall the hours you spent finding that perfect image for your blog or presentation. After scrounging through troves of images, you still didn't see it and had to settle for that less than ideal, but it works image. Now imagine if AI could turn your thoughts into artwork in seconds. Yes, now AI can turn your thoughts into artwork in seconds. So, let's find out how it happens. Airbrush does just that. Enter a few words describing the image in your head and hit generate. Then sit back and watch AI bring your dreams to life in seconds. Features: generate art in one click. High-quality images for every use case. A detailed description of any image. AI-powered sharpening and detail enhancement. Find the best images in the public gallery, and more. Airbrush helps you with your 4 main problems. Number 1. Save money. Save time and money by creating your own stock images. Number 2. Use anywhere. Get professional-looking results from your home or office computer. Number 3. Professional. Get the professional quality images you need without the need for a photo shoot. And number 4, easy to use. Create photos, illustrations, and art with Airbrush's easy-to-use interface. How to generate an image. Register your account to get started. Choose one of the available use cases to generate your image. Provide a description of the type of image you want to generate, and you can click on the download button to download it to your device for further use. Price. They have 2 plans. Free, 20 image credits, image upscaling, blog article cover, image to text converter, image history, and public gallery for free. And premium, 500 image credits, image upscaling, blog article cover, image to text converter, image history, and public gallery for $9 per month. But they have 3 lifetime deals. Plan 1, 500 image credits per month. Create NFTs, stock photos, illustrations, art styles, portraits, art styles, and more. Blog article covers / thumbnail creator, image to text converter, responsive design for desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Dark mode is available for all devices, desktops, tablets, and mobile. Public gallery with thousands of images and their prompts, and image upscaling, sharpening, and detail enhancement for $29 instead of $108. Plan 2, 1,000 image credits and everything from Plan 1 for $58 instead of $216. Add Plan 3, 1,500 image credits per month, and everything from Plan 1 for $87 instead of $324. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 221 reviews on the Appsumo, and on Capterra they have 6 reviews.
That means this is completely new software. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today.
Remember to comment if you need a review of any software.
Oh wait! If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us.
See you in the following video. Thank you.